Hey guys, welcome back to Yeti Speed. And today I'm going to be working on these stainless steel headers I got from eBay that shipped out of China. They look really good, but they have some fitment issues. Let's check it out. Now, like I was saying, these guys, they're not really that bad. They were, what did I pay? I think $120 for them. They're up and forward facing. The welds look pretty nice. Now these have been out in the garage for a little bit. They got a little bit of rust forming on them, but here's the big issue. So you put that bolt in and it lines up. You put that hole lines up pretty well. That bolts in, and you get up here, and as you can see, that hole doesn't quite line up, so you can't really get a bolt in it. And then when you get here, you can see it really doesn't line up. Now I've got black spray paint on there, or black Sharpie on there, just to mark out where I'm going to grind, just so I can get these to fit. Other than that, I went through and I checked the lineup of all the holes of the runners with the cylinder head, exhaust ports, and they all line up correctly. It's just it's Chinese stuff straight from China off of eBay. Now if you look down the flange, I don't know if I can get a good angle. The flange sits straight. It's not warped, it's not bent. Both of them were surprisingly straight. So, let me go ahead and set this up, get a time lapse going. Let's do some grinding. Alright. Last bolt to tighten up. Double check. Oop, that one a little bit. Alright. See what you guys think. I was kind of worried about how high they were going to stick up, but I mean, that's perfect. Alright, while I'm out here, got these stainless steel headers put on. These are the Fox Body LS Swap engine mounts that I bought. I got these on eBay. They're branded under the name TSP. I think these were about 70 bucks, maybe between 60 and 80, somewhere around there. I mean, they're great. I don't see anything wrong with them. But I did read that, if I remember correctly, if you want to reuse your stock Fox Body drive shaft, you slide the engine all the way back. So I'm going to loosen this guys up. I only had them tightened down just to make sure they're not even that tight. I just tightened down a little bit, make sure I had them on there correctly. So slide that, put the engine all the way back, and they are adjustable. So there's 3 nuts with this billet, powder coated billet, and it's got a slider where it's adjustable. So if I do get the engine and trans in there and I go to set the drive shaft up and it's too long or too short, because you never know if what you're reading on the internet is correct. If it is incorrect, I can always slide it forward if it's too far back. So I'm going to start with them all the way back. They're actually really nice. They're basically knockoffs, like what's that company? Dirty Dingo sells. Dirty Dingo sells basically the same exact things, but these are the eBay, I don't even know where they're made brand. But the welds, what welds that are on there, there's a piece of, I don't know, I guess that's probably stainless steel right here that's welded on. The welds look good. The welds for the big bolt that bolts into the frame looks good. It even came with, I got them up here somewhere. Oh, I don't know where that. It came with hard poly bushing that slides on here before you set it down in. So, but those are great for the price. About half the price of the Dirty Dingo ones. So I decided I'd try them out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for tonight. It's getting late. It's probably about 3 a.m. I'm on night shift, so it's all right. But thanks for watching. Go ahead and leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll check you later.